during the start of the year, lagi tayong may kick-off. One of the reasons why we have kick-off is to set the direction. Full of doubts, full of questions, para mabura lahat ng doubts, para mabura lahat ng questions. All you need to do is to believe.
Never ever think that chasing customer is a desperation act. No, it only goes to show you are serious in getting your dreams. You are serious na makatulong sa maraming tao. Amen!
Alam nyo kaya hindi tayo nagiging masaya? We do not appreciate what we have. Maliit man yan o malaki, you don't appreciate it. Kaya kahit anong makuha mo, you always longing for another things. Pero sometimes you have to appreciate what you have. How can you entrust it with the small things, with the big things rather, kung hindi mo kayang pangalagaan yung anong meron kang maliit na bagay?
This 2024, for you to become successful, there will be choices that you need to decide on. Are you going to be staying the same this year, or this year, you will commit to be ever-changing, ever-learning, ever-growing? Because a better us, this 2024, will really require us to improve, to enhance, and to innovate ourselves.
Do something every day, no matter how small, that moves you toward your goal. Ang vision nyo, pag nakita nyo, sabayan nyo pa ng aksyon, believe me, result, money will always follow. Yung mga imposible dati sa ibang tao, because of AIM Global, lahat magiging posible. Just be passionate. Take consistent action. Tuloy-tuloy ka lang sa paniniwala. Do you believe in yourself?
Everything rises and falls on belief. May maling belief na nakakasira, pero may tamang paniniwala na makakakuha ng mga pangarap mo. It can destroy you or it can create your goals. It can make your dreams come true. Kung nahirapan kayo, na-miss mo yung goal mo, naghintay ka, nainip ka, let me remind you, hindi punishment yung mga yon. Preparasyon ang tawag doon para makuha mo yung tagumpay mo.
Keep on setting goals, monitoring those goals. Sino-sino sa mga tao ko nag-a-achieve, nagpa-prime every month. Monitor them. Congratulate, celebrate small wins. Keep on believing in their potential. Mas mataas ang belief level mo, mas mabilis mong ma-achieve yung mga yan. Pag inuulan ka na ng malas, kapag inaarawan ka na ng rejections, kapag pinuputakti ka na ng negativity, reminisce this moment. This moment, it will bring you to so much stage. Kaya tayo buhay para maging masaya, para abutin ang pangarap, para tulungan ang kapwa Pilipino natin mangarap pa ng mangarap. If you believe, atin ang taong to!